Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a topic that is essential for every parent, teacher, and caregiver. Our topic is how to treat children properly. Children are not born knowing how to behave. They learn from the world around them. They learn from words, actions, and emotions. Every sentence we say to a child becomes part of their inner voice. This video is long because this topic is deep. We will talk about emotions, communication, discipline, love, boundaries, responsibility, and real-life situations. Please listen carefully. You can pause the video, repeat sentences, and practice your English while learning life skills. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun English learning videos. Part 2. Understanding Child Psychology. Children are in a constant process of development. Their brains are still growing. Their emotional control is not complete. Their understanding of consequences is limited. That is why children cry easily, get angry quickly, feel jealousy, feel fear. This is normal, not bad behavior. Emotional overload. Children often feel more than they can express. When emotions become too strong, behavior becomes difficult. Instead of asking, "Why are you acting like this?" ask, "What is happening inside this child?" Important truth. Behind every difficult behavior, there is an unmet emotional need. Children need safety, attention, connection, reassurance. Example, explanation, slow and clear. If a child screams in public, they may be tired, hungry, overwhelmed. The behavior is a message. Part 3. Language, words, and their impact. Words shape identity. Children believe adults if you repeatedly say, "You are bad." The child learns, "I am bad." This belief can stay for life. Separate the child from the behavior. Never attack the child's personality. Correct the behavior, not the person. Harmful language. "You are stupid." "You never learn." "You are a problem." Healthy language. "This behavior is not okay. Let's try again." "I know you can do better." Tone and body language. Children understand tone more than grammar. A calm tone, caution, safety. An angry tone, danger. Practice sentence, "I am not happy with this behavior, but I still love you." This sentence is powerful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun English learning videos. Part 4. The art of listening to children. Listening is an act of respect. When adults truly listen, children feel valued. What active listening means. Active listening includes eye contact, calm posture, silence. While the child speaks, do not interrupt. Do not judge immediately. Why children stop talking. Children stop sharing when they are ignored, they are laughed at, they are punished for honesty. Example dialogue. Child faz, "I'm scared of going to school." Adult wrong. "There is nothing to be scared of." Adult right. "Can you tell me what makes you scared?" Result listening builds trust, honesty, emotional security. Part 5. Discipline with dignity. Discipline is guidance. Punishment is fear. Fear creates obedience, but not understanding. Principles of healthy discipline. 1. Clear rules. 2. Clear explanations. 3. Consistency. 4. Calm response, logical consequences. Consequences should be Related respectful, reasonable example. Situation. A child does not do homework. Bad response. You are lazy. Better response. Homework helps you learn. Let's make a plan. Teaching responsibility. Give children choices. Example. You can do homework now or after dinner. This gives control without chaos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun English learning videos. Part 6, Emotional Intelligence and Self-Control, 20 minutes. Emotional intelligence is more important than IQ. Children with emotional intelligence manage stress, build relationships, solve problems, teach emotional vocabulary. Children must learn words for feelings. Examples: frustrated, disappointed, proud, nervous emotion coaching steps. 1. Notice the emotion. 2. Name the emotion. 3. Validate the feeling. 4. Guide the behavior. Example: I see you're angry. It's okay to feel angry, but it's not okay to hurt. Part 7. Love, attachment, and security. Love is a basic human need. Children who feel loved explore the world, take healthy risks, build confidence. Conditional versus unconditional love. Unconditional love says, I love you no matter what. Conditional love says, I love you only if you behave. Children need unconditional love. Daily expressions of love. Love is shown through time, attention, kindness. Even 10 minutes of full presence can change a child's day. Part 8. Building confidence and independence. Confidence grows through encouragement, small responsibilities, trust. Allow mistakes. Mistakes are teachers. Do not rescue children too quickly. Let them try. Let them fail safely. Let them learn. Encouraging sentences. You can try again. I believe in you. What did you learn? Part 9. Adults as role models. Children copy behavior, not advice. If adults apologize, stay calm, respect others, children learn these behaviors naturally. Self-reflection. Ask yourself, how do I handle anger? How do I speak under stress? Children are watching. Part 10. Common mistakes and final guidance. Common mistakes include shouting too much, comparing children, ignoring emotions. Final message. Children do not need perfect adults. They need present, patient, and emotionally available adults. Every positive interaction is an investment in the future. Final conclusion. Let us remember to treat children properly, understand their emotions, speak with respect, listen deeply, discipline wisely, love unconditionally, lead by example. Thank you for spending this time with us. If this video helped you, like, share, subscribe. See you in the next lesson.